Have you ever found yourself immersed in the endless sea of YouTube content and wondered how some creators manage to capture your attention and imagination without ever showing their faces? You might ask, what's their secret? How do they do it? Well, what if I told you that the true key to success on YouTube often lies not in what meets the eye, but rather in what remains hidden from plain sight? Today, we are about to dive headfirst into the mesmerizing realm of faceless YouTube channels, unraveling the secrets and techniques that could potentially transform you into the next digital sensation, redefining what it means to be seen and heard in this dynamic space. Picture this: a bustling cityscape teeming with people from all walks of life, each one bustling about with their own unique story to share. Now, imagine being able to cut through this cacophony, not by raising your voice or stepping in front of a camera, but by quietly harnessing the most powerful tools you already possess within you: your voice, your story, and your boundless creativity. Welcome to the world of Betty and John, a duo whose creative endeavors in voiceovers and animation never hinted at the immense potential simmering beneath the surface, until they chanced upon and unlocked the vast frontier of faceless content creation. Betty, a fresh college graduate, unwound by the uncertainty of her future, and John, trapped within the monotony of a 9-to-5 job buried under endless paperwork, never imagined that a single weekend brainstorming session would be the catalyst for a life-altering journey. The natural synergy of Betty's captivating storytelling skills combined with John's flair for visual artistry sparked a momentous idea. "Why not create a YouTube channel?" John proposed excitedly. "A channel where we enchant and inspire without ever needing to step in front of a camera." This was the inception of an inspiring odyssey into the digital realm. As Madame Fortuna weaves her web of destiny, they knew they would have to tackle the trials that many face in this arena. Dreams birthed, but then abandoned. Aspirations left hanging on the precipice of forgotten calendars. Yet John and Betty were determined to persevere. They realized that a strategic plan was pivotal. Instead of chasing the limelight, they chose to let their raw talent take center stage. They honed in on branding, crafting visually captivating thumbnails, weaving immersive animations, and scripting narratives that took the breath away became the essence of their channel's appeal. No journey into YouTube stardom can evade the enigmatic algorithm, that complex yet mighty mechanism dictating the platform's very lifeblood. Yet be not afraid, for understanding this digital puzzle allowed Betty and John to harness its potential to their advantage. By diligently studying analytics, they dissected data to discover patterns that led to their growing success. With fearless curiosity, they immersed themselves in market trends, dissected viewer engagement, and explored evolving niches, asking themselves, how do you manage to stay ahead of the curve when you've never even stepped into the game before? A rigorous regime of frequent uploads, steady improvements, and genuine viewer engagement formed only a fraction of their secret recipe. Betty unearthed another rare gem in the process: the power of community collaboration. By reaching out to fellow influencers and creators who inhabited their niche, they managed to share wisdom and build powerful alliances, establishing the roots of their growth story. The willingness to connect, even in the face of potential rejection, fortified their resolve, transforming silence into one of their most thrilling secret weapons. Imagine now that you are handed a secret map, a key to hitherto undiscovered YouTube treasure. Where should you venture first? By identifying untapped subjects that capture interest yet face minimal competition. For Betty and John, a shared fascination with paranormal mysteries paved their path forward. Together, they embarked on a journey to unravel spine-chilling tales rich with folklore and superstition. This theme, engagingly low in content saturation but high in intrigue, proved to be a tapestry on which animation and haunting narratives could dance in unison. Yet pinpointing a niche alone was far from the final step. The X marks the spot only if both the journey and the story succeed. Betty discovered another nugget of gold: the art of engaging their audience like never before through interactive polls and mysterious calls to action. Drawing listeners into the heart of their stories, they ensured viewers weren't merely passive observers, but active participants in the unfolding drama. So, what's the next step in this intriguing journey, you might wonder? The sky is truly your canvas. Paint boldly, step by step, nurturing each creative endeavor until it naturally captivates and connects. Betty and John's adventure transcends mere content creation, venturing into the territory of building lasting connections and crafting immersive experiences that usher them from anonymity into the limelight of YouTube greatness. The gravity propelling their Faceless channel forward hinges on one key tenet: authenticity. Despite sharing and connecting with their audience, they fiercely protect their space, striking a remarkable balance that draws subscribers into their magnetic universe. They ignite a yearning, an unwavering desire for the next story, the forthcoming revelation, each mystery skillfully unraveled. As the curtain begins to descend, it's time to introspect. What obstacles do you genuinely perceive as barriers on your Faceless channel's journey? The elements you need lie within arm's reach: stories untold, voices yet to be heard, creativity waiting to be explored. Join us next time as we delve deeper into unconventional pathways, revealing how strategically planned collaborations can propel your content to soaring heights, all while deftly navigating the competitive landscape with finesse. Remember, just like Betty and John, you hold the power to unlock secrets visible to only those daring enough to look beyond the obvious. Embrace the desire to explore, the courage to innovate, and the passion to create, for within lies your boundless potential.